just inside Dollar Tree, hoping to see if there's anything new that catches my eye. I do want to go down the kit aisle and and also wanted to share and see if there's any more of the balloons that I love with the little, I like the happy birthday sign, but they don't have any more of those balloons with the little confetti in it here. So I'll have to go to a different store. Oh, this is new here. I'll grab one of these just to have on hand. They're always good to have, especially because it's a brand name. You'll pay an easily $3 to $5 somewhere else. Even these little guys that look like sippy cups, they're from the same brand, the Lost Kitties. Has anyone spotted the double size and tumbling tower blocks, these packages here? So instead of just the one, it's like 2-in-1 package. They still have a ton of cards, which are awesome for stocking stuffers. And then the Dose Express is still up there, along with little puzzles. They were sold out of puzzles for a while. I always like looking at the storage here when I come to this end of the store. Nothing really that stands out to me as being new. And I always like to take a look at their party supplies for craft material, like specific paper or sparkly things, like even that party hats you can deconstruct and use. And I like looking at their beads. Oh, these little vine balls are new. They have different colors, and they have larger and smaller ones. Who likes CLA's Totally Awesome Cleaner? It comes in the clear bottle there, it's yellow in color. I actually like the Wizard dish soap too, so if you ever want to try it, it comes in the blue liquid form. It actually works really well. Just taking a look here and seeing if there's anything new. Sometimes they have really great candles that appear, so I just keep my eyes open. This little end cap always has some new trinkets. Like, these are really large. They look like glasses, but I guess you could put a little candle in it. And then they have the rainbows, which are super cute for a little bedroom or a kid's bedroom. You can repaint them too if you don't like those colors. Oh, they have some pasta, so I'm just going to go down this aisle. Pink salt. I actually like this marmalade. I don't know if anyone else has tried it, but I enjoy it on a piece of toast. I mix a little bit of butter on the toast and then I apply the marmalade. Lots of cookies, lots of, I think they're called Wortman cookies. They have a lot of wafers and cookies here. Do you guys see the Live Clean? This is, what is it called? Sunscreen. They also have some other things here. What a great find. Oh wow, they have Axe. These are good for little stocking stuffers, for those who like Axe. I'm going to go down the makeup aisle because I know you guys ask me to go, oh, these are cute little stocking stuffers too. You guys always ask me to go down the makeup, so I'm going to go down there and see what they have. They've had a ton of e.l.f. things, e.l.f. line products, so I'm excited to see if they put anything else out. Oh, look at this. They restocked on a ton of nails. These like matte ones and stuff were all sold out for a while. And here they are again. They're so beautiful. Look at this. So similar to mine. They have the chrome ones back in, and they have these ones which I like actually using. And look at this, a ton of, like a little stack of eyelashes, and there's different ones here. So many different nail polishes, and they're constantly putting out new colors, so definitely take a look if you like nail polish as much as I do. They're great for paper crafting as well, sometimes just as a little accent. And look at this, some new e.l.f. products that I have no idea what they are. You guys asked me to talk about it, but some of this stuff, like there's eyeshadow and lipsticks and concealers and HD defining powder. You can see all the beautiful colors of lipstick too. And there's some Mariposa stuff here. Do you guys have Mariposa at your store? And the LA colors? They have a lot of lipsticks in the LA colors too. I need a few of the oven baked goodies, and they have the lemon ones here, so I'm going to grab some of these. And then I need the fudge graham ones. I'm actually going to put together a craft basket, so I'm going to just go through here and grab a bunch of things, typically stuff that I use that I know has worked out well for me, and I'm just going to toss it into a really nice storage container as a gift basket. A lot of gift bags are still hanging. They usually sell out like the last couple days before Christmas. That was my experience the last year and the year before. They kind of stay well stocked, and then all of a sudden, if you come back the week of Christmas, then all the bags are completely gone. They still have quite a bit of stockings. I'm surprised because I know a lot of people customize these, so it looks like all the monogrammed ones are gone. Well, you guys have been asking me to share some of the gift tags. Pretty much the same that I've shared in almost all of my walkthroughs for Christmas. These are a newer type ribbon. And I'm going to grab a couple more of these little Dove's creams, but all the hand soaps are gone, the Christmas ones. There's still little finger towels though. They're awesome jars for organizing pantry goods. Sometimes they have really large ones, but it doesn't look they have any right now. And they sometimes have some really cute wine glasses if you're putting together like a gift basket. Look, see this one, rosé, all day. And look at this cute gift bag that I found hanging. I have to grab some supplies here to make a little gift basket, but I'm really surprised that these things are fully stocked and no one's gravitating towards them. I don't know, maybe people are afraid because they're Dollar Tree, but these are not Dollar Tree brand. They're Jean Pierre. And it looks like it's kind of like a New York company. I'm going to grab one of these, I think, for a friend who loves coffee. And she has like a really cute list making board in her kitchen, so I think this would be perfect for her as part of her little Christmas gift. I actually almost forgot to check this little aisle. I'm looking for a couple last minute things, so we'll see if they have it here. But look what's hanging in the stationery aisle. Some Christmas gift bags, and they're really pretty ones too. These plates are so beautiful in real life. I'm gonna actually grab 4 just as a little salad plate or dessert plate, the small ones. They're just so pretty. These are the large ones. They have like a snowflake in the center. And they have the mugs as well. They have the full set, even glassware at the bottom. These are a new find, maple ice wine cookies. Has anyone tried them? Oh, and look at these little gift card holders. They're little tins. I actually already checked out and look what I spotted on my way out. These are hanging right at the front entrance. They have 2 patterns. I recently shared a DIY on how to make gift baskets using all Dollar Tree material. All of these products that you see here, me building baskets with, are all from Dollar Tree. So if you haven't checked that video out, it's a lot more thorough and detailed. You can check that out on the channel, or I'll link it down in the description below if it will help you. I think that these baskets are so versatile and they're wonderful gifts, no matter if it's a birthday or Christmas or any occasion really, because they're very neutral. They're not very Christmas themed. I hope you found the shop with me helpful and that this end tutorial here inspires you to look at Dollar Tree items a little differently. And until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring